Hi there, it's John. Welcome back. Today we're going to make a video about counteroffers and renegotiation. Okay, so you've put your house up for sale, got your people coming through the property, take a look, and you receive an offer. Congratulations. Three main things you usually do when you receive an offer. First one is accept the offer outright and work towards subject removal. Another option might be the opposite, reject it outright. Just nothing in that offer that's going to be appealing. You don't think there's any way you're going to be able to get a deal. Just reject it, let the time expire. Third and most common is the counteroffer. Okay, there's things in there you like, some things you might not. So what you do is you draft with your realtor a term that basically you're going to be selling your property to the buyer with the terms that you've outlined. Two biggest points that we find that are renegotiated or counteroffered, price and dates. For price, the seller is always looking to get a higher price, buyer wants to pay the lower price. What we need to do is find a happy medium where both sides are going to be happy, and hopefully based on market indications. Dates are another thing that we find can be renegotiated quite often. What I would suggest is anytime you're going to write an offer, have your buyer realtor and seller realtor discuss dates beforehand. Find out if there's any issues in there that we need to deal with before we even put pen to paper. Does simplify things the more information we know. Seller might need the funds from a sale to purchase the next property. Same thing with the buyer. They might have already sold and they've got the date in mind where they need to get the funds transferred to purchase the property that they're writing the offer on. Other items can be included, appliances, attachments, things like that. We might need to counteroffer what's included, what's not included. You come to an agreement there, then it might be renegotiation time. Renegotiation will happen after an inspector comes through the property. There may be things the buyers weren't aware of, maybe a hole in the roof, need to fix a roof, hot water tank even, foundational issues. These things the buyers still want to buy the property, but they think they might need to put a little bit of the value that they offered into those fixing, those repairs. If there's a mortgage involved, the financing is good from the buyer's side, but the bank needs to come in. They do what's called an appraiser. The appraiser comes in, he comes back with X as the value of the property. You've negotiated with the buyer and seller to Y. How do you bridge the gap between those two? Renegotiate a little bit. Establish a baseline for what it is that you're looking for. As a buyer, you don't want to spend all your money and have nothing left for any fixes or renovations. As a seller, have an idea of what it is you need to take away from the property. And always communicate early and often with your realtor. We can only help you when we know what it is that your goals are. The more we know, bigger issues tend to be a little harder to discuss, but the more that we know, the more that we can help you in negotiation. All right, that was quick and simple about counteroffers and renegotiation. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You've got our phone number and email address here. We'll look forward to seeing you in a couple of weeks. Thanks again.